Alright, Jam Box Breaks here. Personal box of Donruss here for Mike. 2016, his first break. Let's hope we pull him a monster. We're looking for a buyback auto. Still have not pulled it yet. Still have not pulled it yet. Good luck, sir. Guys, I'm free now. Anyone wants to get any boxes, go ahead. Right after this. If not, I'm logging out. I'm going to bed. I got a long day tomorrow of sorting cards. I want to get up early at like 5. Or I'm not going to get it all done. Which I know I'll have a million PMs to the night and dings of people buying boxes at 2 in the morning, but I can't do it tonight. No, sir. Well, Crazy Honky, I planned on sorting all day today and then doing breaks at night. It didn't work that way, so. Not that I'm complaining. I'm just stating that that's why I'm going to bed early. You don't catch me going to bed before 5 o'clock. I'm going to be getting up at 5 o'clock. I usually have like Jim B. He'll hit me up at like 2:30 in the morning, waking me up when I do go to bed early, asking me to hop on and break boxes for him. After he sees these, I guarantee you he does. I'll be on at 3 a.m. Mike, just to let you know too, but I ship all cards. You'll get all your cards. I'm not just going to ship the hits. I'll send it all. You bought the box, so. Other guys will just ship you the hits. I'll ship it all to you. And after you pay shipping on other sites, when you buy your own boxes, I'm pretty much at right at a couple dollars over retail, not much. On all my boxes. Sometimes I'm even below retail. Depends what I buy them for. But that's why the group breaks are fun, because you can get in a full case for a fraction of the price by your team. Cubbies sell really quick in my room, obviously. We just pulled a Chris Bryant 101 plate out of this earlier. First box we did. Get you a nice cubby. All right. Good luck, sir. Get you something nice here. Alright, right off the bat, we got Kelby Tomlinson, numbered 8 of 10. Another San Francisco Giant. Chad, is he any good? Chad's a big Giants fan. I haven't heard of him. 8 of 10, Kelby Tomlinson. He looks like a doofus. With his glasses. Not bad, though. 8 of 10. Take it. Short print auto. Alright, Ryan Sandberg, number 2, 285. Well, I know he's a rookie. I can read that, Chad. I'm just saying, is he any good? I've actually never heard of him. Like I'm saying, was he good in the minors or anything? Is he an upcoming star? Michael Conforto. I know Matt Duffy. Everyone's going psycho over. Alright, Brandon Crawford. Another Giant on the pink. It's a Giants case. Anthony Greer. I can read the rookie patch on there, or the rookie logo. Mike Swarn. Mike Swarn, a 299 collegiate. On the collegiate elite. Cool looking card. Did he? I didn't even know he was in the majors last year. Luis Severino. Bryce Harper. Blank. Well, if we got an auto that quick, we're probably going to get an extra hit in this box. Miguel, not guaranteed. It's 3 hits, sometimes 4. Ryan Hendricks, Sonny Gray. Checklist. And a foil of Luis Severino. Nice. Luis Severino to 289. And we got a nice little Jorge Soler on the pink border. I'll put a sleeve on that for you since that's who you PC. Jorge Soler on the pink border. Chris Bryant. The pinks are not numbered. Nice. Carlos Correa. Number to 999 on the Elite insert. Carlos Correa. Blank. Alright, Captain Dick, let's get you something. Here we go. 2 of 10. Jason Knippis test proof. Nice. 2 of 10. Wonder how many of these are in this product. It's kind of like a printing plate, but it's a cardboard version of them. Sweet. Roger Clemens. Eric Hosmer. Steven Piscotty, rated rookie foil. Nice. Out of 305. Kid's going to be good. For the Cardinals. Anthony Ray. Blink. Alright, Aroldis Chapman. Number to 33. 33 saves in 2015. On the foil. Cal Ripken. Next foil, we got Eric Hosmer, number to 999. Eric Hosmer. A-Rod. There you go, Cubby jersey of Chris Bryant. Second one we pulled to him of this. There you go, sir. I hope this is a good box for you. You got two Cubbies. Nice Chris Bryant relic and a Soler pink border. Zach Johnson. Checklist. Blank. Whatever you ask for, I pull, bud. That's how it works. Oh, that's sick. Ken Griffey on the negative. 10 of 25. Good box, man. These stupid things probably sell for dumb money. And you're getting good. You got Griffey. That's going to be good. 10 of 25. Take this to the Facebook room, Ken Griffey Jr. Collectors. I guarantee you some guy will pay out the ass for that. Mr. Captain Dick. Michael Taylor on the jerseys. He got extra hits, too. I think he did. I think that's the 4th. I'll have to go back and count. Still looking for that buyback auto, guys. It's got to be in here. Like I said, I'm pretty sure it's 1 per case. I got to go back and read. Kyle Schwarber. Adam Lynn and Carlton. Nice box, dude. Be happy with it. It's a good box. Better than the last one we just did, for sure. Thank you, sir. I'll have it shipped out to you Monday. My postage bill is going to be about $600 on Monday. You're welcome, man. Hope you come back. Hope we can do more for you. Thank you. I do accept credit cards as well on my website. But we do all the breaks mostly in the room. I do post on the website as well sometimes. If they're going to fill quick, though, I just post it in the room. I don't even bother. Certain things I know are going to go fast. Anybody else want to do any?